Hi, welcome to Detail Wizard. Today, I am detailing the car of a single mother of 10 kids who is currently working for construction. Because the car is used in construction work, there is a lot of visible dirt everywhere. The seats were covered with dirt and even some spilled engine oil. I will have to extract the seats to make it fresh and clean again. This Ram truck is only 2 years old but has not been taken care of. However, I'll change that today. First of all, I'll take out all of the trash from the car. It breaks my heart to see there is so many pain medicine in the car. A mom's responsibility is heavy, yet she keeps pushing forward even though her body hurts. Respect. I think she is a real life superwoman. I'm happy to help her get to work with fresher car and so glad that with my little detailing skill can help her out. I use the detailing brush and vacuum to clean every crack and narrow area. I have to vacuum very well, that way it is much easier to wipe down later. The truck is huge and I cannot shut my garage door. It is freezing at first. However, the owner needs to pick up the car soon, so I'm moving so fast, I'm sweating now. I vacuumed the whole car and the car has already started to look better. The dirt and grime covered seat gets sprayed with APC cleaner. I saturate the cleaner with the drill brush to loosen debris as well. I then use the extractor to remove the dirty water until the water becomes clear. You may think I'm weird, but when I see the dirty fabric seat, I get super excited to clean. Here is my dear friend Mr. Hangover. He had a rough night, but he's feeling much better now. I'm so lucky that the floor was leather, so I could spray the APC cleaner and wipe away the grime off of it without using a carpet cleaner. However, the dirt was solidified and is difficult to break down. So I will use the steamer to break down the grime and wipe it away. Marilyn Monroe and Ty Dolla $ign said, "Diamonds are a girl's best friend." And I think a steamer is a detailer's best friend. It is so useful and handy to break the grime down. The cup holder cleaning can be one of the most challenging but satisfying. Normally people drive long distance in US and people often eat and drink in the car, so there are lots of food crumbs. Those food crumbs often mixed with spilled sugary drink, then dried out. That makes the grime rock solid. Using steamer makes it 30.65 times easier than just scrubbing with cleaner and towel. The driver delivered her 10th child 2 months ago, and she goes to work with her newborn baby. So I'm trying my best to sanitize all of the touching parts. And she will get married with her boyfriend soon, and I'm very happy for her. After hours of non-stop work, the car started to look sparkling. Here is the result. Thanks for watching my video, and your subscription and kind encouraging comments mean a lot to me. Hope you have a lovely day. Thank you.